What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Giovanni, and I'm back at it again making passive income doing nothing. It's your boy, and I'm back with a new video showing you guys how to make passive income with my brand new ROE Pamm account. I've been in this trading niche for years, manually trading, and now using EAs to trade. And for the last 5 years, people have always been asking me, Jay, when are you gonna make a Pamm account? Pamm account, Pamm account, Pamm account, Pamm account. It's finally here, guys. The official ROE Pamm account where you guys can have your live funds managed by yours truly and make passive income doing nothing. For all you guys who don't know what a Pamm account is, it's an account where you can literally deposit your money and have me trade it for you. So I'm basically your account manager. So all the people that's been wanting account management, this is exactly what you want. Now the difference is, except for me, managing this person's account and managing this person's account, I can manage all your accounts at once. So I already know what type of questions you guys have. So if all our money is in one pool and I'm trading all your money at once, then how does the account management work? The account management already is calculated based off what you deposit. So if you deposit $100, you may get the same percentage gain as somebody else who deposited $1,000, but obviously you won't make the same amount of money, and the lots traded on your account wouldn't have been as big. I already know what questions you guys are gonna have, how much gain monthly, how much do we expect, drawdown, etc., etc. I have the official My FX book, which I'm gonna leave in the link in this description, which you guys can click and keep up with the profits that's being made. So typically for all our ROE Pamm account investors, we aim to make you guys 10 to 15% monthly. Now, it's important to know that with this Pamm account, you don't have to pay no crazy fees to have your funds managed. The minimum deposit is $100. Of course, you can deposit any amount you want, but that's the minimum. Everything that I make on your Pamm account, I keep 30%, you keep 70%, and it keeps compounding. So for people that say, oh, can I keep my money in there for a year and keep compounding? Yes, that's what we want you to do. We want you to make money and keep compounding and have a long-term investment. Another question that many people have is, well, can you withdraw? And if so, how much? Is there funds being held in this Pamm account for a period of time? So to answer your question, yes, you can withdraw every weekend, and withdrawals are approved on Sundays. The reason why you can't withdraw during the week is because your funds may be traded in the Pamm account during the week, but you can request withdrawal every Sunday. If you wish to withdraw more than 50% of your deposit, there is a 10% fee as you are unsubscribing to the Pamm. If you aren't withdrawing more than 50%, then there is no fee with withdrawing, and you're all good. Keep watching, guys. For the people tuned in, I will be showing some withdrawals later on as we get into what broker we are using. For this Pamm account, we are using a broker called Lironex. Lironex has been around for over 7 years. It's trustworthy. There are many different people who've been having their own Pamm accounts on Lironex for over the last 6-7 months, and they have been doing just fine. And people have been able to withdraw whenever they want to, and they are able to just make profits, having their accounts managed by these traders. So everything is great with Lironex so far. I've had no problems. I honestly trust Lironex. There are many different reviews online that you guys can do your research on. There are YouTubers who are promoting Lironex right now because of this Pamm account opportunity, and people are able to use Lironex to make their community money. So everything sounds great with this Pamm account. We're making 10 to 15% monthly. This month in December, we managed to make over 24% gain for all our investors. How do you get started? What can you fund with? If so, how do I fund my money up? Let's get into it. Hey fellow traders, it's Giovanni Cruz here, and I'm going to show you guys how to get started with my Pamm account on mylironex.com. Guys, this broker has been around for over 7 years. You can see they're celebrating their 7th year anniversary. When you click on a referral link to get started with the Pamm account at ROE, you see this will pop up. Traders room, account type, individual, username, your title, first name, last name, email, password, country of residence, and phone number. Anyone can sign up for this. It does not matter where you are in the world. First things first, you're going to have to fill out this information. Most of you guys are going to use individual, and you will need to do a KYC process in order to use the PAM account, guys. So your ID has to be verified in order to use LittleNext. Make sure that you guys use the email that you want, because once you use your phone number in here, you can't make another account with the same phone number. You can make an account with a different email, but not the same phone number. So already you can see, as I'm trying to do this tutorial for you guys, it says this mobile number already exists. So just make sure that you set up everything how you want it to be set up the first time. As you guys can see, I already have my account here. When you guys sign up and get started, the first thing that you guys will see is your dashboard and your accounts. You won't have any accounts here because you haven't subbed to the PAM yet and you haven't funded your account yet. So first thing you want to do once you're inside is you want to fund your account. To fund your account, you want to go to the My Wallet section and deposit funds. So on this broker, we only deposit with USDT. Now it can be ERC20 or TRC20, but we only use USDT because it saves money for not only us, but for the brokers. We don't have to pay all those fees that you will with other cryptos. You can see here, it says minimum deposit $100, and the maximum deposit per transaction is capped at $50,000. So if you want to do $100,000, then you would have to do 2 transactions of $50,000 for the people that want to invest heavy. So all you want to do to deposit is put the amount. Let's just say you want to deposit $100. You're going to go ahead and go to proceed. Now, when you go to proceed, you're going to see the conversion type. Now, I made a mistake the first time of putting USD. We're only dealing with USDT. So here on conversion type, you want to put USDT. Make sure it's USDT, guys. And then convert amount $100. Submit. Confirm. Now you want to click on cryptocurrency right here. Now they use a third party called SwiftCoin to send your crypto over to the website. Make sure you click on SwiftCoin and then pay now. And then you're gonna select the type of USDT you want to send, TRC20 or ERC20. Okay, guys. If you never bought TRC20 or ERC20 before, I suggest doing it through Trust Wallet. It was a pretty easy process for me to buy my ERC20 USDT from Trust Wallet. But if you already have your USDT in your crypto wallet, you can just select whatever USDT you want to go with and then click submit. And then it's going to send you the QR code and the address to copy to send your $100 or whatever amount of money you want to start with to your crypto wallet. You have 6 hours to use this exact QR code or this address to fund your account. Okay, guys, so go ahead and fund your account. Once you send it, it shouldn't take more than 30 minutes to an hour to get to your wallet. Okay, your transfer was successful. You can go to my transfers as well to see the status of your transfers, your transaction history. Once you send your money to the LittleNext wallet, you should be able to see your money in the dashboard. Another way you can do it is if you use MetaMask. You can import tokens here. You can just search up USDT. Right, Tether. Import. You can buy USDT from here. And as you guys can see, you can buy your USDT with debit card, PayPal, bank transfer, wire transfer. So same thing with Tron. You can go here and add Tron. Okay, guys, so what I recommend is MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Now to get started with the PAM account, next thing you want to do is go over to Managed Accounts and then go to Leaderboard. Click on this leaderboard here. And you want to go ahead and subscribe to Rich Off EA right here. If you do not see Rich Off EA, you can just simply type it in the search bar and subscribe by clicking subscribe. It's going to show you the performance details, and you want to just click on here to subscribe, and then we will be taking trades for you using the money that you deposited. Guys, just so you know, it is a 70-30 split. So everything made from the Pamm account, you receive 70% of that, guys. 70%. So you're just making passive income. You can expect 10 to 15% monthly returns following this Pamm account. We are going with conservative returns. We're never going to be too risky or anything. We're sticking to 10 to 15% a month. So if you want to have passive income and get 70% returns using our technology, our ROE, just subscribe over here and get started. And that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you guys have any questions about ROE Pamm, click the link in the description to my Telegram. You guys can message me on Telegram. You guys can message me on Instagram. I will be responding on those 2 social media platforms. Or you guys can just comment on this video and I'll try to answer questions when I can. If you're more interested in making these profits yourself, using the Forex bots that I have made myself, and using the settings that I give you guys when you purchase your EAs, click the link in the description at www.richoffpips.net, where you could buy highly profitable bots that can pass your prop firm challenges, or just making profits on your live account, guys, and bots that I have that I've been using for the Pamm account. Until next time, guys, keep making profits. I'm out.